Oh shoot! Ha! Action!
Hi. Guys, it's me again. Thoughties, and welcome to my channel. On this video I'm going to teach you how to use MetaTrader 4. MetaTrader 4, MT4, is a trading platform developed by MetaQuotes in 2005. Although it is most commonly associated with Forex trading, MetaTrader 4 can be used to trade a range of markets including Forex, indices, cryptocurrencies, and commodities, via CFDs. This content is requested by Pedro, one of the member in our group chats. Disclaimer: I'm not a professional trader. Just want to share my ideas on observing the market. If I forget some important topics, please don't hesitate to comment down below to discuss.
Question: How to log in my account on MT4?
In order to log in your account, after you register, all you need to do is go to your active email, or go to the broker's website and find the account information. First is the server, then the trading account number, and finally, your password. Now that you already log into your account, there are a lot of assets will pop on your platform. All you need to do is click the pencil button at the top of the screen and check the assets that you don't want to trade. The plus button is the adding assets which you want to trade, example, Euro, USD, GBP, USD, and USD JPY. For exness accounts, assets are Pro accounts, Euro, USD, Standard M, Euro, USD, M, Cent account, Euro, USD, C, for XM account, Standard accounts, Euro, USD, Micro accounts, Euro, USD, Micro, Ultra Low Standard, Euro, USD, number sign, Ultra Low Micro, Euro, USD, M plus number sign. Today the market is close, so I will use the BTC USD charts. Bitcoin are open 24/7, you can trade it even if weekend. The first button that we are going to use is the crosshair. Crosshair is used to point out the price and what time it happens, the highs and lows of the market price. The right side was the price and the downside was the time it happened. The next button is the F sign, indicators. This is requested by John, Jess, Jonas, and Ken. Now I will show you my indicator setup. First is click the F sign. Then choose the moving average, change the period to 2. And apply it on high and change the color into red. Second is choose again the moving average, change the period to 2. And apply it on low. Third is the fractals, I'm setting it to 4 in order to see it boldly. Fourth is click again the F sign and find the relative strength index and set the period to 5, then click the levels. You can add many level as you can. In my setup, 15, description is strong buy, 25, rebuy, 35, buy, 50, OB, 65, sell, 75, resell, and finally 85, would be the strong sell. As you can see, the charts have a design. It is easier to analyze the charts using this indicator setup. In charts, when the price touches the red it means sell, and when the price touches the blue it means buy. The second confirmations would be the RSI 5. The trend would determine the strong sell and strong buy using the fractal confirmations. I have following video on it. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified. I will explain there when to entry and exit your trades using the percentage durability of support and resistance. The next is the $sign button. Here you can see the asset that you choose to trade. Next button is the time sign, where you can see the charts according to different time frame. M1, each candle ends per 1 minute. So the candle that you can see in this charts are in M1 time frame. M5, 5 minutes per candle. M15, 15 minutes per candle. M30, 30 minutes per candle. H1, 1 hour per candle. H4, 4 hours per candle. D1, 24 hours per candle. W1, 7 days per candle. And finally, MN1, each candle ends in a month. The plus button is the order. Here you can start your trading journey. Your trade is depending on your lot size. 0.01 is the minimum you can add plus 0.01 to the left to make it 0.02, or 0.10 to make 0.11. On the left side is subtracting your lot size. Forex is commonly traded in specific amounts called lots, or basically the number of currency units you will buy or sell. A lot is a unit measuring a transaction amount. For BTC USD, range 19K to 20K, that is 100 pips. Exness Pro account, 0.01 lot sized is $1 per 10 pips. Standard M account, 0.01 lot sized is $1 per 10 pips. XM standard account, 0.01 lot sized is $1 per 10 pips. XM micro account, 0.10 lot sized is 10 cents per 10 pips. Now let's go for the pending orders setup. First is the buy limit. Buy limit is a buy position below the current price. If this pending order will not be triggered with the price, this will remain a pending. Example, when the price 19K will go on 18K, that would be our entry buy. Advantage of using this is to minimize the risk in order to riding out the market manipulations. Next is the sell limit. Sell limit is above with the current price. For example, sell limit at price 20K with stop loss of 21K. Once the pending order sell limit is not triggered by the market price, that is still pending orders, meaning you don't have trade. All you need to do is wait until the price triggered your sell limit. Your entry would be sell. Next is the buy stop. Buy stop is placed above the market price. Example, buy stop at 19.5K. If the market price triggered the 19.5K, your entry would be buy, and if not, it is still pending, no trades. So remember, buy limit is below the market price and buy stop is above. If the market triggered it, your entry would be buy. Next is the sell stop. Sell stop is placed below the market price. Example, sell stop at 18.5K. When the price go to 18.5K, your entry would be sell. So remember, sell limit is above the market price, while the sell stop is below. Once the market price triggered it, your entry would be sell. Last tip guys, for those who are using pro accounts at exness, please set your deviation at 500 to have a better experience in executing your trades. Thanks for watching guys, see ya on my next video.